Hello everyone. Last lecture you see about DCC, that is a Drug Consultative Committee, and analytical bodies in that Central Drug Laboratory and Drug Control Laboratory in state. You revise it. I revise the DCC. DCC is the advisory body constituted by central government. Constitution: two representative of central government and one representative of each state government. You see the functions to advise. First function to advise the central government, the state government, and the drug technical advisory board on any matter tending to the secure uniformity throughout India in the administration of the Act. The Drug Consultative Committee shall meet when required, has power to regulate its own procedure. Then, analytical body in that you see the Central Drug Laboratory established in Kolkata. There are many functions. In that, main function is analysis or test of sample of a drug cosmetics sent by the custom collector and code. Then you see also the drug control laboratories in state. There are three laboratories in Gujarat. First, Baroda, established in 1959. Bhuj, established in 1979. Rajkot, established in 1983. There are various divisions. In their first, pharmaceutical chemistry division, immunological division, pharmacology division, pharmacognosy division, food division, and Ayurvedic division. In that, you also see the function of drug control laboratories. First, testing of drug sample, analysis of food sample, and analysis of excise sample. Now, today you start about government analyst. You see the definition of government analysis. Now, these are the officer are appointed by central or state government and perform the duties. First, you see about or discuss about a qualification of government analyst. First, person having qualification for appointment as a government analysis for allopathic drug. First, person having qualification for appointment as a government analysis for the allopathic drug. Then second, having a degree in medicine, Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani system, and not less than a 3 years postgraduate experience in the analysis of food in a laboratory under control of government analyst. These are the qualification for appointment as a government analyst. Now, duties. Then appointment, you carry out the duties of government analyst. First, the government analyst shall cause to be analyzed or test such samples of a drugs and cosmetic as may be sent to him by inspector. First function, the government analyst shall cause to be analyzed or test such a sample or drugs and cosmetics of a many may be sent to him by inspector. Also, a government analysis shall form time to time forward report to be government giving the result of analytical works and research with a view of their publication or publications. These are the functions of government analysis. Now you start with executive bodies. In that you see about licensing authority, controlling authority, and drug inspector. Now start with licensing authority. What is a licensing authority? You see the qualification of licensing authority. The person you conduct the license, then he carry out the authority for that purpose. In that qualification, first, graduate in pharmacy on pharmaceutical chemistry or in medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology from a university established in India by a law. First qualification, graduate in pharmacy on pharmaceutical chemistry or in medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology from a university established in India by law. Then experience in the manufacturing of test of a drug, a minimum period of 5 years, provide that the requirement as to be academic qualification shall not apply to those inspector. These are the qualifications for licensing authority. Now, duties of licensing authority. First, to inspect all establishment licensed for the sale of a drug within the area assigned to him. The area by the assigned the licensing authority to establish a license for the sale of a drug. Now, second, to satisfy the himself that is the condition of a licenses are being observed. Then to procure and send for test or analysis is if necessary imported packages. Then to investigate any complaint. Then to maintain a record of all inspection made and action taken by him in performance of the duties. Then to make a such inquiry and inspection as may be necessary to detect the sale of a drug in contraventions to the act. These are the duties of licensing authority. A main duty is to inspect all establishment licensed for the sale of a drug within the assigned area. Now, second, a controlling authority. As that of a licensing authority, you see the controlling authority. Qualification: graduate in pharmacy or pharmaceutical chemistry or medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology from a university established in India by law, and also experience in manufacture or testing by drug or enforcement of a provision of the act for a minimum period of 5 years. You in controlling authority also experience in manufacturer or testing of a drugs or enforcement of a provisions of the act for a minimum period of 5 years. It is for today's lecture. Now, remaining part, that is a drug inspector, you see in next lecture. Today you discuss about government analyst, that is a officer are appointed by the central government or state government and perform the duties. You see the qualification of government analyst. Person having appointment as a government analyst, he for the allopathic drug analysis for the allopathic drug, he knowing about the allopathic drug. Now, having a degree in medicine, Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani system and not less than 3 years experience in graduate in analysis of a drug or laboratory under control a government analyst. Then you see the duties of government analyst. Government analysis first duty analyze or test the such sample by the sending to him by inspector. Then government analyst shall form time to time forward record or report to the government. You see also executive bodies in that licensing authority and controlling authority. Next lecture you see the drug inspector. Licensing authority, qualification of licensing authority, graduate in pharmacy or pharmaceutical chemistry or medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology or microbiology, biology, and experience in manufacturing or testing of a drug and minimum period of 5 years experience. Not applied to be those inspector that's required as a academic qualification. Then duties of licensing authority. A main or first duty is to inspect all establishment licensed for the sale of drug within the assigned area. You also see the controlling authority and qualification of controlling authority, graduate in pharmacy or pharmaceutical chemistry or medicine with specialization of clinical pharmacology or microbiology from the university establishment in Indian law. Also experience in manufacturing or testing of a drug, enforcement of provision of a act for the minimum period of 5 years. Duties of controlling authority as the same of a duties of licensing authority. These are for today's lecture. Next lecture you see the drug inspector. Thank you.